In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to WordPress with Elementor. To get started, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. This is where all your main tools live. Find the section labeled Elementor. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, choose the editor. This will open up the Elementor interface, where you can visually design your pages. When the Elementor editor loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site if you see that option. This ensures you're actually editing the page or template where you want your Google Map to appear. Now, inside the editor, turn your attention to the top left area. You should see a small plus icon. Click this plus icon to bring up the list of available widgets. In the search bar that appears, type Google Maps. Elementor will filter the widgets and show you the Google Maps widget. Click on the Google Maps widget, then drag and drop it into the section of the page where you want the map to appear. As soon as you drop it in, you'll notice a new panel open on the left side under the Content tab. Here you'll see a field labeled Location. In the Location field, type the address you want Google Maps to display. This could be your business address, an event location, or any place you want to highlight. After you finish typing the address, pause for a moment. The Google Maps widget will automatically reload and update to show the exact location you entered. If the location doesn't look right, double check your spelling or add more detail, like the city and country. Next, you can customize how the map looks. In the same panel, you'll find options to adjust the zoom level. Increasing the zoom will show more detail and a closer view of the area, while decreasing it will show a wider region. You can also set the height of the map so it fits nicely within your page layout. A taller map can make it easier for visitors to see surrounding streets and landmarks. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the button to save or update your changes. After saving, your Google Map will be live on your WordPress site, fully integrated through Elementor and ready for your visitors to use.